What you're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, is the shrink-like dilemma, though I don't believe you can see it in this light. Let's see if we can adjust anything. I guess we're not gonna be able to increase the visibility of Carla, who's standing here in the fucking dark. Yeah, thank you very much, Carla, for giving me the fucking finger. Okay, let's do this shit. What, we can't light it now? You think we're out of fluid?
I don't know.
There we go. There we go, Carla. Don't stand so close to me. Oh! Little too close. That's it?
That's it.
Ah!